Okay, we're in the pen. And there's the other non-border collie. And Eliot has just found him. Eliot, come, let's go to the water. Okay, so here's the pond. See, it's already active all the way up there. Here's the farm. Usually, you'll see that fence in the background. That's where the sheep are. I don't see sheep out. They may put them in later. If I can zoom in, there's a boy in there. And that little orange jacket over there is Siren because she jumps in the water. Come on, Eliot. I don't know. Christian? Say hi to Juan. Hi. And we got... Eliot's going to try to socialize with some dogs. What do you see?
Hey, Eliot.
Can I have some tickets for the raffle?
And there's Dominic out in the middle of the pond. Yes. There's Killian and Siren, and I think that's Foster there. And that is Thomas McGowan. He's the one that adopted Rigel. I know my hands are shaking from too much caffeine. So, who do we have here? Someone that is just dropping the ball at my feet and looking at me. See, it's a border collie thing. Okay, where did Eliot go? There's Eliot. He's socializing. Eliot, go find the water. Eliot's kind of standing right next to me. Nope, thought about it. Eliot! Eliot, come here.
Hey, Eliot.
Are you having fun? That was big slobber. He's starting to get a little bit more comfortable. No going in the water, Eliot? He's gonna go say hi to everybody. Eliot, come on!